All right, so I've got the other side done. I had to take most of it apart to get those other knuckles studs off. Unfortunately, the angle between there and the dust shield, I just didn't feel comfortable that I'd get that tap in there square. These holes were a little dirtier than the other side, so it was a little more work. What I was able to do was then clean out the holes with some of these long-handled wooden Q-tips. Got those holes all cleaned out. And then I know there's been a lot of discussion on what torque to put them. There's no torque spec for it, so I got the new ones. I'll show you how much, 271 red heavy duty Loctite. I'm not soaking them. I just put about 2 lines on there, which should be plenty to hold them in. And I'll let you see how tight about 30 foot-pounds is. Feels pretty good. It feels tighter than it was when they broke free. Torque wrench set to 30 foot-pounds. So just for yourself, 30 foot-pounds feels tight enough. Let me throw in the last 2, reassemble this, and kind of get back to where I started about noon today. Thanks.